Hey, it's Ivan from This Is San Diego, and in this episode, we're taking you to Comic-Con.
Yeah!
Let's check it out. Comic-Con International San Diego began in 1970 when a group of comics, movie, and science fiction fans all banded together to put on the first comic book convention in Southern California. Since then, Comic-Con has presented literally thousands of special guests at its convention over the years, bringing all aspects of the popular arts together with their fans. While the main event is inside the San Diego Convention Center, there's still plenty to see and do outside for free. If you're a fan of The Walking Dead or Fear the Walking Dead, you definitely have to check out AMC's Dead Quarters. Now, this is another free event you don't need a badge for. All you have to do is stand in line. One of the stops you definitely have to make is right here at the Marriott Marquis, where they have 2 official gaming lounges. If you love pinball, gotta check it out. And also, if you're a Nintendo Switch fan, this is the place to be. We're standing inside the Petco Park Interactive Zone. It's here where fans can experience events from the Twilight Zone, Ripley's Believe It or Not, Shark Week, and much more. Well, I hope you enjoyed your exclusive look into Comic-Con. My name is Ivan from This Is San Diego, brought to you by Powers Premier, revolutionizing real estate. Let us know where we should go next. See you next time.